Well, just under 1 week ago, a request from Governor Kim Reynolds to allow the year-round sale of E15 ethanol fuel was approved by the Environmental Protection Agency. Up until now, the sale of E15 has been restricted in the summer months by the Environmental Protection Agency due to air pollution concerns. Local 5's Megan McPherson joins us now with what you need to know about this change.
Stephanie, both Governor Kim Reynolds and agriculture organizations across the state are celebrating the EPA's decision, but it won't be taking effect immediately. The EPA has delayed year-round sales of E15 gasoline until 2025, saying that refiners will need time to update their machinery before it can be pumped.
The ethanol is produced from homegrown corn right here in Iowa.
Thanks to the surplus of corn across the state, Iowa has long led the nation in ethanol production. For years, industry leaders and Iowa lawmakers have been pushing to maximize the use of ethanol in gasoline.
Being able to market a homegrown biofuel like ethanol and increasing the actual ethanol content that's in a gallon of gasoline benefits everybody.
But concerns over air pollution, which tends to be higher during warmer months, have kept the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency from allowing the sale of E15 in the summer. That is until last week, when the EPA granted Iowa the right to sell E15 year-round.
E15 for Iowa is really the life and blood of what we do. And this is something that helps both our row crop guys, being, corn and soybean gals. It also helps every Iowa family have a much more affordable, renewable fuel system.
But many state lawmakers, like Republican Congressman Zach Nunn, wants those sales sooner.
There's no reason that they should be standing in the way of Iowa farmer success and American consumers' ability to get E15 all through the year.
And the hope is that Iowa's economy will get a boost too.
Let me tell you what it means to the Iowa economy. It means 57,000 jobs. So it's really important here.
8 governors in total from states across the Midwest petitioned the EPA for year-round E15 access. As of today, Governor Reynolds has not yet filed that waiver to make E15 available this summer.